Too small.
A severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northeast of Erin, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Damage has been reported from the storm throughout Humphreys County.
Oh.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Cumberland City, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 10. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Montgomery, and Stewart. Significant weather.
Okay. Okay. I got a question for you, 12-382. Why don't you even freaking activate? Piece of shit.